So I found 2 Scootle resources that link to my outcome from the Australian curriculum. The first one is a game and the other one is a video. So I'm going to show you the game first. So it's called the Share Biscuit game. It's even got a little button that you can get the person to say what you have to do. So I'm going to show you how to do that.
Welcome to the Share and Group Biscuit Factory. Your first job is to share the biscuits equally into packets. When you're ready, select check.
You can already see in this sentence the language that they're using is children's language because I got share, equal, and it tells you what you have to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share them equally. So if this is a children's learning stage, I would get the children to do 1 biscuit in each first. If it was in more of a materials, because we do that, maybe I'll get the children to count the biscuits first and then count how many jars there are and try and use one of our strategies. So I'm just going to do as if I am learning the concept of division. So I'll put 1 in each. It's quite a cute little interactive game. Now I'm just going to show you if you get the answer wrong.
Try again. Make sure you put an equal number of biscuits into each packet. And don't forget to use all the biscuits.
So you can see the word equal number of biscuits. And to use all the biscuits. So it's also a reminder. So let's keep going. Just a couple more. Let's check it.
Terrific job. Now complete the sharing sentence and then select check.
So this has gone straight into mathematical language because they're wanting us to write the numbers, but it still isn't using the symbols yet. So how many 16 biscuits is shared by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we can use our double stroke if we count the top row. Double 4 is 8. So pop in 8. 8 is, and how many biscuits in each is 2. We'll check if that's right.
That's right.
Excellent.
16 biscuits shared among 8 is 2.
And so it takes you through all that.
Groups of biscuits have now been put back together in one box. Complete the number sentence to check that you still have the same number of biscuits.
Okay, so 8 groups of 2 is, so you can use your double strategy, so 2 times, or your multiplication. 2 times 8 is 16. And so you can, if it's still children's language, they can count the biscuits out to double check. So basically you're writing a word sentence with the numbers and you're reversing it using all different types of language with the same figures. Oh, you're going to press check. If I can find my mouse, there we are.
That's right. 8 groups of 2 is 16. And 16 biscuits shared among 8 is 2. Well done.
So it reads you out.
Select another tab to continue.
And so we have different levels here. Now I'm just going to show you my video, what I found. So what are the factors? So this could be a good start for students when we're learning the concept.
The 12 have made 3 rows with 4 in each row. 3 and 4 are called factors of 12.
Good work! What else can you show me? 2 rows, 6 and 12, good 4.
with 1 in each row. Now they've made 1 row of 11.
So that's it, is it? 11 rows of 1 or 1 row of 11?
11 has only 2 factors, 11 and 1. Numbers with only 2 factors are called prime numbers.
At ease, people! Now, where's another red one?
So with that video, I would use that in the mathematical language stage because it does have talk about the factors, prime numbers, and I think that's a little bit too early to start with the concept, but it's a good representation of how to connect students. It also has the everyday objects, so it would be a good way to capture the students' attention. Even though that does use the strategy for the children's learning stage, it is definitely only for children who are at that mathematical stage.